Ain't nothing like playing a game of double dutch with the weather. Waiting for it to slack up so you can get it in. Especially after you just wash those running shoes. And it's like, oh man, they about to get all wet again. Anything to keep your mind at ease during your task while paying attention. That's all we do it for. Gotta stay motivated somehow. Gotta stay motivated. Any way you can. The motivation, it comes and goes. Motivation, it comes and goes. So far, I'm doing an excellent job of keeping my feet pretty dry. Hope you're doing great out there. Doing excellent. Matter of fact, and don't forget to enjoy the scenery. Soak it all in. Because after the rain, the sun will shine. Unless it's nighttime. But yeah, after the rain, the sun should shine. And if it don't shine, go out there, go get it anyways. Go take that win. That's what I'm doing. Taking that win today. Taking it. I could have caught that and said no. I chose not to, bro. I chose not to. I chose not to cop out. I was determined to get it in. Grinding for it. Can you say the same? If not, get about our lane, okay? I want to thank you, kings and queens, for coming out. I want to thank you, new viewers and subscribers, for coming out. Like, comment, subscribe. Even let me know what you dislike. Because I'm trying to build this so we can all grow off this with that ladder drop. Hope that you, kings and queens, have a good rest of the day wherever you're at. Hope that you have a good rest of your night wherever you're at. Hope that you have a good rest of the week wherever you're at. Hope that you have a good rest of the month wherever you're at. Hope that you have a good rest of the year wherever you're at. Focus. Reset. Attack. Let's do this again. Roll it.
I mean, no, really, hold up. Hold up, who they playing with? We ain't stopping, we ain't letting up. I mean, hold up, who they playing with? If she get up in your face, tell her we ain't playing. I mean, hold up, who they playing with? We ain't stopping, we gon' show them who. Hold up, we ain't playing. If they get up in your face, man, tell her we ain't stopping. Hold up, you think I'm playing?